Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to use Google Maps offline in 2025, which is perfect when you don't have internet access while traveling, hiking, or stuck in a poor signal zone. It's quick, easy, and completely free. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So the method we're going to use is to download the map area before going offline. So here is how to do it. First, make sure that you're signed into your Google account and have an active internet connection, and then open Google Maps. Once the map opens, let's say you want to download an offline version. Search for the location you want for offline map. Let's say Los Angeles, for example. Type that in. Once you find the name, look for the section where the direction is written. Here, you should be able to see an option called More. Click on that option, and then you should see Download Offline Map. Simply click on that. When you do that, you'll see a zoomable box showing how much area will be saved offline. The bigger the area, the more storage it uses. Just choose how much you want to save, and when you've decided, click Download. You can also see how much space it will need, so click Download. Once that's done, when you're offline, just open Google Maps like normal, and the app will automatically switch to offline mode when it detects no signal or Wi-Fi. Then you can search for places, navigate turn by turn, and even find businesses as long as they were in the downloadable area. If you ever want your offline map to auto-update in the background, just go back to your profile at the top right-hand side corner and click there. Then choose Offline Maps. Click on Settings at the top and make sure you enable Auto-Update Offline Maps. So that's it. You now know how to use Google Maps without internet in 2025 using the latest offline mode. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.